Welcome back. I'm Jill with the carefreekitchen.com, and today I'm going to be sharing with you a recipe for cream cheese stuffed jalapenos. And if you love jalapeno poppers, you are going to love this recipe. Alright, here are the 3 ingredients you're going to need for this recipe. Alright, we have jalapenos here, and these are actually pretty big. You could definitely use smaller ones, but this is what I have in my garden right now, so this is what we're using. And then I have some cream cheese, and I like to use full fat for this recipe. It is just a little bit creamier, but if you want to do a low-fat version, that will also work. And then I just have some bacon, and you can use thick slice or thin slice, whatever you prefer here. Okay, and we're going to preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Okay, so to get started, I'm actually going to be using these gloves. You can develop blisters with jalapenos, especially if you're using a lot of them. So I just like to wear these little babies. All right, so what we're going to do here is I'm going to slice the top off and then just slice it in half. And then the next thing you're going to do is just get a spoon underneath the seeds there, and we'll just scoop out all of the seeds because the seeds are very hot. Once the jalapeno is cooked, it's actually pretty mild, and I have a little blemish on this one right here, so I will also just slice that off. So there we go. This is about what we're looking for, and I'll just go ahead and do this with all of my jalapenos here. There we go. It's pretty easy once you get into a routine here. Just be sure to not rub your eyes as you are doing this. Okay, now I have all of my jalapenos ready, and the next step of this process is to take our cream cheese here, and I'm just gonna get, I don't know, a couple tablespoons, and then just lay it right into the jalapeno here. These are pretty big jalapenos, so I might need a little bit more than 8 ounces of cream cheese, but you basically just want to kind of fill it up there. And then keep on doing this for the rest of the jalapenos. And then keep on doing this for the rest of the jalapenos. Okay, and then for the bacon, you can wrap these, or what I like to do is just lay the bacon on top of the jalapenos. And you're gonna cut this into a third, and then we'll just lay this right on top of the jalapeno. Okay, so we're gonna bake these in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until the bacon is crispy and the jalapenos are tender. Okay, our jalapenos have been cooking for 25 to, I don't know, it might have been about half an hour. Let's see, it's got this nice golden crust here, and the jalapenos look done. We're gonna let those sit for about 10 minutes, and then they'll be ready to serve. All right, here is my version of cream cheese stuffed jalapenos. The jalapenos are warm and cooked perfectly and have a rich roasted pepper flavor. They're so good. This is the perfect recipe for game day or an appetizer for any occasion. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe and enjoyed this video. And if you make something, be sure to tag me on social media. I would love to see it and share it with everyone. Also, before you go, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.